Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell back with you with another journal reveal. I posted pictures of this one in my group yesterday, promising to show the inside today, and that is what I am here to do. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see the cover. We have this beautiful glittered butterfly here. I don't know if you can pick up the glitteriness of it. It's hand crocheted, the cover. We have a doily. We have this beautiful, beautiful sequined applique here. And this beautiful lace going all the way around. Now let me zoom back out. Okay. It ties closed with this beautiful ribbon. And let's open it. I used yellow paper. And again, the cover is hand crocheted. We have this beautiful tuck here with this beautiful tag. Sits right down inside of there. The corners have been rounded. We have journaling space here. We have a pocket here, and inside of this pocket we have 1, 2, 2, 3, live for the moment, you can't put into words. 3 beautiful journal cards that tuck right down inside of there. And you turn the page and you have more journal space here. And I made a tuck spot here like you have in your, just like we used to have in our checkbooks. And the flowers have been glittered. And this is folded. It's a large piece of paper folded to tuck right down in there for journaling. You can also journal right here and right here. And this is wrapped with a little beautiful purple bow. And more journal space here. And here we have a cute little flip tag for some private journaling, and that just flips closed just like that, tucks down inside the button. And you turn the page, and here I have a seed packet, which I have decorated with some of this beautiful paper and some beautiful lace in there. And you can put something inside of there. So that just tucks behind this beautiful lace belly band. And inside of here is a piece of ledger paper that I have folded. I like the raggedy edge, so I left that there. And then it just folds closed. And this tucks down inside here to keep it closed. And then it just sits, let me get to it again, right down inside the pocket here. Keep it private. Have this beautiful journal page here. I have decoupaged beautiful napkin here, and you can write on it. It's blind. I left these 2 pages blank for journaling. Turn the page, and we have a pocket. And this is a card, and I have tied it closed. And it just tucks down inside of there like that. And you can journal here. And we have another pocket here, and this is just another one of those flip tags for journaling, and it sits right down inside of that pocket there. And journal space here. I left these 2 pages blank for journaling, and this page is blank for journaling. And we have a doily here, and this is the center where it's tied closed, sewed closed. More journal space here and here. This is a secret pocket, and I've put a little card inside there so that I wouldn't glue it together, for one, forgetting, and also so that whoever gets this journal knows there's a pocket there. We have a tuck spot here. We have a tuck spot here with a flip trifold, and that just sits right up inside of there. That flips over. You have journal space here. We have a journal card and journal space there, and a pocket here. And again, we turn that page, and there's more journal space. And a pocket and another one of those journal cards. And you turn that page and more journal space. And another page of decoupage with a napkin for writing on. And there's a tuck spot right here. And this is open at the top, so if you have something you need to put in there, and it goes all the way to the bottom, you can slide something in there. Blank space there, writing space here, writing space here, more writing space, and more writing space. The back cover, and it is hand crocheted, and the back. And it simply ties closed. Just like so. And there you have it. Another beautiful journal. This one will be for sale for $12 in my Etsy shop, Shiny Treasure Designs. First come, first served basis. And I thank you. God bless and have a good day. Bye-bye.